Welcome to the Windows Club. At times, users report that the volume of their systems gets stuck at 100% and they are unable to reduce it. If you are facing the same problem on your computer, then please watch this video for the resolutions. The first solution is to simply restart your computer. Right-click on the Start button, select Shut Down or Sign Out. Click on Restart. The second solution is to adjust the volume via Speaker Properties. Search for Sound in the Windows search bar. Click on Sound Settings and open the window. Scroll down and click on More Sound Settings. Right-click on the Speaker option and select Properties. Go to the Levels tab. You can change the sound from this tab. Click on Apply and then on OK to save the settings. The third solution is to run the Playing Audio Troubleshooter. Right-click on the Start button and select Settings from the menu. In the Settings window, go to the System tab on the list on the left-hand side. In the right pane, scroll down to Troubleshoot and click on it. Now select Other Troubleshooters. Scroll down to the Playing Audio Troubleshooter and click on Run corresponding to it. The fourth solution is to update the audio drivers, which can be done by installing optional Windows updates on your system. Right-click on the Start button and select Settings from the menu. In the Settings window, go to the Windows Update tab on the list on the left-hand side. In the right pane, select Advanced Options. Scroll down and click on Optional Updates. If any updates are available, please install the same. If updates are not available, your drivers would be at the latest version already. The fifth solution is to unplug any external keyboard from your computer and check if it helps. This is because the volume could be stuck if a key on the keyboard is stuck. The sixth solution is to restart the Windows Audio Service. Press the Windows key and the R button together to open the Run window. In the Run window, type the command services.msc and hit Enter to open the Service Manager window. In the Service Manager window, scroll down to the Windows Audio Service. Right-click on the Windows Audio Service and select Restart. The last solution is to troubleshoot in the clean boot state. To do so, press the Windows key and the R button together. This will open the Run window. In the Run window, type the command msconfig and hit Enter to open the System Configuration window. Go to the Services tab. Check the box associated with Hide All Microsoft Services. If any service is checked, select Disable All. Select Apply, and then click OK. You will be prompted to restart your system. Click on the same. This will reboot the system in the clean boot state. Now you will be able to figure any troublesome third-party program through the hit and trial method. Did this help you fix your problem? If yes, please let us know in the comment section. Also, don't forget to subscribe to the channel.